another change everything level project. This couple just moved here from Dallas. They're wanting their whole house done. Living, dining area, it's an open concept. She's never worked with an interior designer before, and so I am honored that she chose me.
Come on in. We don't really have like a super strong style. I mean, I think we tend to like more modern, but like we like mid-century kind of shapes and stuff.
So clean lines.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think like this, it's almost like the same color as the floor. So I think we need like more color. We have like the green backsplash. Like this is where we really need help because neither one of my husband and I have like a super like strong idea about this. I don't think we want like really super bright colors, but I like this green. I like some color. So I mean, I feel like this is the color that we have, so something that would tie in with that.
Oh, for sure. That would be easy to do.
This living space like isn't huge, and I don't want it to feel crowded. We have a 65-inch TV. He thinks we can mount it here, but if you think that that's too big, then we can just tell him that. I don't want it to look weird if it takes up too much space on that wall. It's not gonna be like the big mega TV.
It will be really big right here.
Okay.
It'll take up most of this space because it's actually like 65. They measure at angle though. It'll be really big.
The preference would be to mount something here, smaller, and then we'll have an upstairs TV and a downstairs TV, and that's
that. I think that would feel better.
Okay.
Because the 65, you're gonna have a big black hole.
Yeah, I think it'll look weird.
Yeah.
Okay. My goal is to be able to entertain 10 people comfortably. These stools are terrible, so we need more stool. And I don't think we need 4. I think 4 is too many, but they're small. And this is where we were eating before we had furniture too. These were just the previous owner left.
Are you okay with moving this over if we needed to?
Yeah, I mean, I think whatever works, I think is fine.
The only thing I can think, we might need to move it this way just a little bit to accommodate a buffet. I mean, we can find one that's a little bit thinner, but you still want some walking space.
Yeah, for people to get around.
Yeah, we can coordinate. I can get an electrician and everything in.
Whatever makes sense for moving stuff around is fine.
Do you need any lighting?
Yes.
Are you happy with light? Okay.
No. I like a ceiling fan, but if you don't think that that is going to be nice,
function over beauty. I want it to be comfortable. Better we have your ceiling fan than have all these.
But I think we need something bigger, so it wouldn't look dinky. Maybe 2 or something floor lamps. I don't think we need a ton because we have a lot of natural light during the day, obviously. But I think 1 or 2 can be whatever type of lamp makes sense for the space.
So the living room is 12 and a half feet wide by 14 and a half feet. Perfect. And you're gonna mount your TV. You don't need a media.
We need something underneath, I guess.
We need a console table to go underneath the TV.
Yeah, I think so.
Hide the wire. Okay. Yeah. I do want to measure and see because you want the sofa kind of centered here. Yeah. So the sofa needs to be 100 inches.
And again, I think knowing that we're gonna have a casual space, we can have our kids' artwork up. We can make that
And if you want to put your kids' artwork up, let's do it, and let's do it in a way that makes it look like it belongs on that wall. You do kind of have an industrial look to the architecture of the house.
Yeah.
How do you feel about incorporating that?
I think as long as it still looks cozy.
The term industrial, it's just vernacular so that we know kind of what to look for. But industrial, it actually has a lot of organic elements to it, a lot of woods and warm tones. You can just bring in kind of these metal pieces.
Again, that's something that I would be scared to do, but when you see it, it looks good. You're oh, that looks cool.
In a very cohesive way. Perfect. Well, I'm excited.
Yeah, me too.